Using the rectangle method, draw an ellipse with a major axis AB, and minor axis CD. First draw a rectangle surrounding the ellipse axis. Now divide this line into any number of equal parts. Let's say 5 parts. After that, divide this line into 5 parts as well. Now by connecting those points with smooth curve, we get the first quarter of the ellipse. You can connect them either manually by hand, or using a flexible curve or a French curve. I will repeat the steps faster for the second quarter of the ellipse.